Hello students and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we shall understand what are the different kinds of sentences. Students, you know that a sentence is a group of words arranged to make complete sense. Sentence has a few words which are assembled together in such a grammatical logical sequence that it makes sense to us. We just cannot write any words in any sequence. That sentence has to be placed in such a way, the words have to be placed in such a way that the sentence makes sense to us. The person who is being spoken to, or when he reads that sentence, he can understand the meaning, what the sentence wants to convey. So, depending on that, there are four kinds of sentences. First is your declarative or assertive sentences or statements. Second is interrogative sentences. Third is exclamatory sentences. And fourth is imperative sentences. Now, read these three examples carefully. Children like Chinese food. It is a beautiful painting. An elephant has a sharp memory. Now, these sentences simply state something. So they are called assertive sentences or statements. Now, assertive statements can be affirmative or negative. That means they can convey some positive meaning or some negative. Children don't like Japanese food. Now, wherever these words don't come, they are your negative sentences. Children like Japanese gadgets, affirmative. That means it is a positive statement which states that children like. He was making a project. This is an affirmative statement. He was not making any collage. That is negative. Was not, did not, cannot. These all state negativity. Now, what are interrogative sentences? Interrogate means to ask questions. Interrogate means to ask. Interrogative means those sentences which have a question mark at the end of the sentence. They are your interrogative sentences. Now, these sentences ask questions, so they are called interrogative sentences or questions. We put a question mark at the end of interrogative sentences. Do children like Chinese food? Question mark. Is it a beautiful painting? Question mark. Has an elephant a sharp memory? Question. All these three sentences are ending with question marks and they have the questioning words do, is it, and has. This is how we identify interrogative sentences. Now, read these following sentences carefully. They are your exclamatory sentences. Wow! Exclamation mark. The Chinese food is awesome. What a beautiful painting! Exclamation. What a sharp memory elephants have! Exclamation mark. Now, these sentences they express some strong, sudden feeling or emotions like happiness, anger, joy, or dismay. So they are called exclamatory sentences. And at the end of these sentences, we put an exclamation mark. Now, read these sentences. These are called imperative sentences. Don't eat junk food. Look at the painting. Always follow traffic rules. Please help. Now, these words don't, look at, always, and please are expressing some sort of command, request, advice, or order. Like don't is giving an order, look at is a request, always is an advice, please help me is also a request. So they are called imperative statements. These sentences always end with a full stop. In an imperative sentence, the subject is not mentioned. Now, don't eat junk food. Whom are you talking to? It is understood that you should not eat junk food. You please look at the painting. You please follow traffic rules. You please help me. Now, in the same way, you look at the painting, you always follow traffic rules, you please help me. So, here, necessarily in imperative sentences, the subject did not be mentioned. Now, we will identify the kind of sentences and write S for statement, Q for question, I for imperative sentence, and E for exclamatory sentence. The first statement, be polite. Now, this is an imperative statement because it is asking us to be polite. Girish is a polite student. Now, this is just a statement. It is just stating that Girish is a boy who is a polite student. Third, do you have a personal mobile phone? Now, pay attention, students. This sentence is ending with a question mark. So, this is an interrogative sentence. And it is also starting with the questioning word do. Fourth, What a great invention the mobile phone is! Exclamation mark. That means this is an exclamatory sentence. Mona lives in Noida, full stop. This is just again a statement. Sixth, how charming you look in this dress! Exclamation mark. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Rachit could not go to picnic as he sprained his ankle. This is again a statement. It is just stating that because Rachit sprained his ankle, he could not go to the picnic. Why did you make such a silly mistake? Question mark. This is again an interrogative sentence. Therefore, it is a question. Therefore, this is a referent Q here. Next, don't pluck flowers. Now, don't pluck flowers is a command. So, therefore, it is a imperative sentence. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now, this is just a statement. What a tragic movie it is! Exclamation mark. So, this is an exclamatory sentence. Sam stopped talking to his friend. This is a simple statement stating that Sam has stopped talking to his friend. Stop talking is again giving a command, so it is an imperative sentence. Can you do me a favor? Question mark is again an interrogative sentence, so Q. Ruchika, well done! Exclamation mark. So this is again an exclamatory sentence. Please do me a favor is a request, so it is an imperative statement. Next, we will do complete these sentences with the correct option and tell the kind of sentence. Dash a beautiful rainbow. What on how? What a beautiful rainbow! Exclamation. And there should be a not a full stop here. There will be an exclamation mark over here. Next, go to your room and dash down. Go to your room and sit down. This is an instruction which is being passed, the command which is being passed. Go to your room and sit down. Therefore, this is imperative. Next, will you dash me your book? Question mark. Will you lend me your book? Nobody throws a book. They lend a book. Therefore, this is a interrogative sentence. Dash me the salt, please. This is a request, so pass me the salt, please. Imperative. What a dash idea it is. What a wonderful idea it is. Therefore, this is again an exclamatory sentence because it is ending with an exclamation mark. Dash off the fan. Switch off the fan. This is a imperative statement which is giving a command. Next, make sentences using the following words. Rainbow, exclamation. What a beautiful rainbow! Exclamation mark. Second is remember, used as a statement. I always remember to pray before I sleep. Three, tomorrow, imperative. Please bring my book tomorrow. That means it is a request. Imperative. Secret question. Is this your secret? Question mark. Exciting news, excellent. What an exciting news! Exclamation mark. Close imperative. Close the door. Remember command. How many as a question? How many apples are there in the bag? Don't forget the question mark after bag. 8. Please, imperative. Please lend me your book. So this is how we will understand the kinds of sentences. If you like my channel, students, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep notification button on so that when I post a new video, you're notified. Kindly subscribe. Thank you.